welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created the color on my giveaway wig in collaboration with MiniHouse. So I wanted to let you guys choose the color since one of you is going to end up winning the wig. So I decided to do a poll on my Instagram, and from 8 different pictures I let you choose 4, then 2, and then from the 2, this one was the winner. So this right here is a 20-inch lace front wig from MiniHouse, and this is my recreation of that color. I wanted to do it similar but at the same time with my own twist, so I wanted it somewhat darker and more of an oil slick or iridescent color, or you can call this maybe rainbow highlights. But you can win her if you find the post on my Instagram page at monsterlocks. But now if you want to see how to create this color on a wig, just keep on watching the video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to win the wig, don't forget to go on my Instagram at monsterlocks, find the post about the wig, follow the rules, and maybe on January 31st, you'll be the one that gets to win it. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.